to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in my earlier video I have discussed about adverbs and types of adverbs, and as promised to you guys that I will make a single video on the types of adverbs. So here I am that today I will discuss about how can we form adverb of manner from adjectives. Okay, so it is very interesting. I will make you understand with different rules. Okay, so if you follow those rules, it's very easy. Okay, and the thing is that if you want to have a clear idea about the same, please watch the video till the end and kindly don't skip in between. So let's start with it. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. Before that, let me give you a brief summary of what is an adverb of manner. So adverb of manner tells us how or in what way an action happened. Okay, if you want to check out my other video on adverb, I will give you the link below, so please check that out. Okay, but let's start with it today. So the first rule, as we all know that we can form adverbs by adding ly. Okay, like here you can see adjective quick will become quickly, loud loudly, sad sadly, slow slowly. So this is the first rule, which is very common. Okay, now we will move on to the next rule. Let's talk about rule number 2. Now you can see if an adjective ends in y, then what will be the answer? Okay, how we will make it an adverb? So here the rule is that here you can see adjective is greedy. So we will replace this y with I and will add ly. Same lucky, luck, y will be replaced by I, then ly. Then same with happy, same with angry, heavy, easy. So here you can see if an adjective ends in y, we will replace this y with I and will add ly to make it an adverb. Is it clear? So when an adjective ends in y, we will replace that with I to make it an adverb. So the first one is greedy will become greedily, lucky luckily, happy happily, angry angrily, heavy heavily, easy easily. Okay, so I hope this rule is very clear to you guys. Okay, now let's move on to the next rule, that is rule number 3. Now let's see rule number 3. So here you can see if an adjective ends in le, able or able, then what will be the adverb? Okay, so here you can see possible, so it's ending in ible. So what we have to do, we just have to replace this e with y, like it will be possibly. You just adding a y to it to make it an adverb. Same here you can see forcible will become forcibly. Comfortable ending with able, so we will replace e with y. Comfortably. Gentle, gently. Suitable, suitably. Horrible, horribly. See, it's very easy. You are just removing this e with y. Okay, same here also with able, and le. So don't make any sort of spelling mistake regarding that. Please check it. So if an adjective ends in le, able or able, we always replace e with y to make it an adverb. So isn't it very easy and interesting? So if you follow these rules, I hope you will never make any sort of spelling mistake and your adverbs will also be clear to you guys. Okay, now let's move on to rule number 4. Now let's talk about rule number 4. So the rule number 4, you can see if an adjective ends in ic. So how we will make an adverb to it? We will just add a-double-l-y. We just have to add a-double-l-y, like basic will become basically, Frantic will become frantically. Idiot, idiotically. Dramatic, dramatically. Scientific, scientifically. So here in this rule you can see that you are not replacing anything to make an adverb. You are adding, in fact. You are adding A-double-L-Y. Okay. So when an adjective ends in IC, to make it an adverb, we add A-double-L-Y. Remember that. Like for specific, it will become specifically. But there is an exception to it. Like if it's public. So according to the rule, what it will be? It will be publicly. But it is wrong. The exception is that public will be just publicly. It will not be publicly. If you write P-U-B-L-I-C, then A-double-L-Y, it will be wrong. So the exception in this case is that you just have to add L-Y to it. Okay. So am I clear? Now let's move on to the rule number 5. Let's talk about rule number 5. So if an adjective ends in CL, in order to make adverb, we just have to add ly to it. Okay. So logical will become logically. Logical spelling will remain same. Then we will add ly. Same with magical. Spelling will be same. We will add ly. Mechanical. Mechanically. Grammatical. Grammatically. Mathematical. Mathematically. See, the spellings are really very easy. If you don't want to make any sort of mistake, just follow these rules. The rules are very interesting. If you follow this, you will never make mistake. Sometimes you in place of A, you put E. So this is something which make the spelling very difficult for others also to understand, because English is such a language. If you make a simple spelling mistake, the meaning can sometimes change. Okay. So so try to make less spelling mistake. Okay. And just follow these rules. See, the rules are so very easy. So remember that if an adjective ends in CAL, always use ly. The spellings will be same wherever the adjectives are. In order to make adverb, the spellings will be same. You just have to add ly at the end. Now let's move on to the rule number 6. Okay. Now let's talk about rule number 6. So here you can see some adverbs as the same form as their adjective. So here, so see, if the adjective heard is heard, then it will be heard only. For this case, fast will become fast, late will be late, and wrong will be wrong. It will not change either for adjectives or for adverb. It will be same. Now the last rule, that is rule number 7. If an adjective ends in UE, then how we will make adverb? Like if the adjective is due, we will replace E and will add ly. Same in case of true, we will replace this E and will add ly to it. Okay. So isn't the rules are so simple? And I wish that you all will not commit any sort of spelling mistake. So please watch the video and don't skip it. Please watch it full. Now let's see the next one. One more thing I would like to tell you is that the adverb form of good, the adverb form of the adjective good is well. Okay. So if you write in this way, she is a good singer. So what kind of singer? Good. So it will be adjective. But if you write in this way, she sings well. How she sings? Well. Then it will be adverb. So the adverb form of the adjective good is well. So I hope you like this video. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification. So guys, thank you so very much. Please watch my other videos also. I will give you the link in the description box. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.